I'm just now waking up and I'm looking for my phone. Hello and welcome back. I'm Yvonne Boulevard. Please subscribe if you are new. Hello, I know I'm starting off this video wiping down this little table of mine because it's dusty. Like, I cannot stand dust. I can't stand dirt. Like, I need to clean it. I know this has nothing to do with my Hygiene Empties video, but this is how I started off my day. Now I'm putting this vase back together so I can put my plant in it to make it look decorative, because I'm going to sit in front of this plant when I do my Hygiene Empties, and I love it. And next, I'm just sweeping because these hardwood plank floors, they just drive me crazy. I mentioned that before. It's like I'm always having to sweep. These floors collect lint. These floors collect dirt. I just need carpet in my house. It's just too much. Like, all this lint. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the hardwood plank floors.